In this video, you'll learn how to create a complete website in just a few minutes using AI, templates, your Facebook page, or by starting from scratch. Let's get started. From the left side navigation bar, click on Create Website. This will open the Website Builder dashboard, where all your websites will be listed. On the top right corner, click the Create Website button. You'll now see 4 ways to build your website. Generate websites with AI Pick, a template. Turn your Facebook page into a website and start from scratch. Let's choose Generate with AI. Enter the website, name, and a short description of your business. Click Continue, and the system will instantly generate a ready-made website using AI. Once the website loads, you can edit any section, modify text or images, add new pages, or simply click Save if you're happy with the result. This is the fastest and easiest way to build a complete website. Now, select the Pick a Template option to choose from beautiful ready-made designs. Browse the template gallery, pick your favorite, and click Continue. Enter your website name, then click Clone. The template will be copied into your workspace. From here, you can edit all pages, replace content, preview the website, and save your changes anytime. Let's explore. Turn your Facebook page into a website. Connect your Facebook account using the social media connection in your local device. Once connected, select the Facebook page you want to convert. SuperLocalFans will automatically pull up your business details, images about section posts after setup. Click View Website to see your live site. You can then edit anything or click Save to keep it as it is. This is perfect for businesses who want a website instantly from their Facebook presence. Lastly, if you prefer to create your website from scratch, then select Start from Scratch. Enter your website name, then click Get Started. On your new blank website, click the Add New Page button. Fill in all required details: page title page, URL, page description, page layout. Then click Create. Now you can build page by page exactly the way you want. Add sections, images, buttons, and customize everything. Click Save to keep your changes. No matter which option you choose, the website builder gives you full control. You can edit any page, change designs, add new sections, preview your website, and save changes instantly. Your site is always editable and always in your control. That's it. You've just learned how to create a website using 4 powerful methods inside SuperLocalFans. Whether you're using AI, templates, Facebook, or a blank canvas, creating a website has never been easier. Thanks for watching.